Tonight we are here to celebrate the journey of the past 35 years and also to fire up for the journey ahead of us to deliver the promises our founding members made to the society 35 years ago.
In 1989, when the Hungarian democracy was born, AmCham Hungary also came to life with an intent to represent American business interest in the country. Over the years, you and me and we together built a strong and diverse community of local and international businesses.
I must say that the input that we receive is always of high quality and always very relevant for our activities.
Thank you for inviting me to be here with you tonight to celebrate an important relationship between two beautiful countries, one that needs additional care and attention.
In 2024 marks the 35th anniversary of AmCham Hungary and also GE's presence in the country, and we are truly honored to celebrate this together tonight.
And based on what I just quickly shared with you, we do believe that we as a new startup company, we have never been better positioned to electrify and decarbonize the world by doing it together. And in Hungary, we want to do this with a very loyal and trusted partner for a long term, which would be AmCham. Thank you.
We are ambitious and we will continue to grow. Our mission is clear: creating a world where healthcare has no limits.
I'd like to thank AmCham and all our partners as we continue to invent the future of life.
Through its advocacy, networking opportunities and commitment to corporate social responsibility, AmCham has not only supported its members, but has also contributed significantly to the development of the Hungarian economy and society.
We want to create a dynamic and inclusive business environment where innovation thrives and opportunities around instantaneously. We are committed to support these policies that drive economic growth, enhance competitiveness, and ensure that Hungary remains an attractive destination for investment. And wish AmCham happy birthday. So well, cheers.